Guys, listen.
Okay, I'll make it really quick because I know you guys have a long drive home. First off, Milton, thank you for coming out. Thank you guys. I know you guys are a short bench, and there was a lot going on. Thank God the weather held out for us, and I'm glad we all got all our games in. All right, and thank you guys for that. Referee, thank you guys for your hard work this weekend. Do you want to hand it out to you guys, or do you guys want to just take a lump sum? It's up to you guys. Wait, you keep the big one, you keep them. Take them all up too. Way to go, Milton!
Woo!
We're not supposed to get the goal? We're not supposed to get the goal?
We get this one.
This is the goal, yeah?
Ask Bobby. Bobby? Leo wants to ask you a question. Bobby, that's Bobby. Yeah.
Isn't that the goal? Is that the goal?
For the winner. He's thinking maybe that's...
Yeah, we have one for the winner. This is the winner.
So they won.
They won.
Yeah.
They're going to get one. They're going to get one.
No, but this is the goal.
That's the goal.
That's the goal. The goal goes to the winner. And
I don't choose the trophies, okay? I just got the box today.
Yeah, that should have been.
huh?
The goal should have been to us, come to us. But it's okay.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying to them.
Hey, congratulations, Milton.
Good job, guys.
But you're giving them the wrong.
Well done, Milton.
What does it say? Runner up? Does that say winner?
I don't know. It's like the goal to me.
Thanks for Milton. Guys, thanks for coming up.
I told you.
It was a tough game for us. The finals, that was a one game. Great matchup for us. We had some tough games on the season. We got a lot of injuries. Just like you guys, we're probably battling injuries, and there's a way and why not. Tough match. Thank you guys for a good game. I'd like to thank these guys that worked hard. Again, tough injuries and everything. We had a few tournaments this year and we've come close, and we had some injuries, games that have gone this way. But you know what? We finally pulled one off. So congratulations. I'd like to call Terry up, our captain.
Woo! Go, Terry! Terry, this way, this way. This way? No, stay there. Come on. Just wait, yeah.
Sorry, we don't do this very often.
Yeah. Okay. Woo-hoo! Hey! Woo!
Most people want to take off in no particular order. Let's go, Dylan.
Dylan, whoa! Aiden, King. Woo!
Thank you guys.
Wait, one more. He knows. Hey, Aiden, woo! Thank you.
So this is what's his name? Who's this? Kyle.
Take them off. I'm not taking anything back.
Coach.
Champions,
Oh, champions. Yes, yes, yes. Yes, it does.
This is Kyle.
Woo woo! Yeah, this is the right one. Woo woo woo! Woo woo woo! Boys, coach, can we line that? We need a photo, please. Okay, good. What about that bench? What about?
I need the trophy list. I missed it.
Yeah, go to the goal. Go to the goal.
Come on, guys.
Yeah, just center the goal. Center the goal.
Eddie, get in there. No. Eddie, get in there. Eddie, get in there.
Eddie. Come on, yeah.
No, give someone your phone.
I'm the looks.
Even Bobby, what are you doing here?
You understand?
No, we don't understand. You should be there too.
Bad.
You should be there too. Come on, Bobby.
Come on.
Don't bend too much.
Okay, this way.
I have a game of 7.
Louis, don't bend too much, yeah.
Can you smile too?
Cheers.
Thank you, guys. Abba! Woo! You did. No? Yep, individual photo.
What?
Get all the Asian guys together. Nicholas, you look so sad.
Yeah. Okay, Louis, I need a person now, please. Here. In the net, in front of the net. Thanks, Dylan. You tried with your own trophy as well. Let me hold on to your phone. Okay, with your trophy as well.
Smile.
Raise it up.
Just leave it.
Come on, leave it. Look here.
That was a nice one.
Okay.